Hi everyone. Today I would like to introduce Intech Steel Hardware Sdn Berhad, one of a subsidiary of MTech Group Berhad. This company was established on 7 September 2005. This company specializes in the distribution and processing of both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Their product offerings include materials such as mild steel, stainless steel, aluminium, copper and brass, available in various forms like plates, coils, pipes and bars. Intech Steel is known not only for its wide range of metal products but also for its value-added service, including CNC profile cutting, sewing and custom fabrication. These services are supported by a strong fleet of machines and delivery trucks, enabling efficient processing and timely deliveries to customers. With a paid-up capital of 1.5 million ringgit and an annual turnover of around 15 million ringgit, Intech Steel plays a vital role in MTech Group's distribution segment and serve various industries across Malaysia.
On 22 May 2025, our group went on an industrial visit to Intech Steel Hardware Sdn Berhad located at kawasan Perindustrian Tebrau 3, Johor Bahru. The main objective of this visit was to gain deeper insight into the real-world applications of manufacturing process in the field of engineering. During the visit, we had the opportunity to observe various stages of production and understand how raw materials are transformed into finished products. We were warmly welcomed by Puan Hidayah, a senior staff member at the facility, who guided us throughout the tour. She provided detailed explanation of the machinery, safety protocols and operational procedures used at the site.
First manufacturing process that we observed while doing the industrial visit was CNC profile cutting. There were two types of CNC profile cutting. The first one was CNC hypertherm plasma cutting. CNC hypertherm plasma cutting is a thermal cutting process that uses an extremely hot and ionized gas, known as plasma, to cut through electrically conductive metals. Hypertherm is a well-known brand that produces advanced plasma systems which are widely used in various industries. This method is very effective for cutting thin to medium thickness metal, including mild steel, stainless steel and aluminium. It offers fast cutting speed, high precision and smooth edge quality. Plasma system typically use gases like compressed air, nitrogen or argon, but not oxygen. It is widely used for automated cutting in manufacturing due to its speed and accuracy. On the other hand, CNC oxy-fuel cutting, also known as oxy-acetylene cutting, where it uses a combination of oxygen and fuel gas, such as acetylene or propane, to create a high temperature flame. This flame heats the metal until it reaches its ignition temperature, and a high pressure oxygen jet is then used to oxidize and blow away the molten metal. Oxy-fuel cutting is suitable for carbon steel only and is very effective for thicker materials, often more than 50 millimeters in thickness. Although the cutting speed is slower and the edges are less precise compared to plasma, this method is still widely used due to its low operating cost and ability to handle very thick steel plates.
For the next process is a straight cut process. A straight cut is exactly what it sounds like. A clean, linear cut made across along a material like metal, wood or plastic. It's one of the most common operations used to trim materials to size or prepare them for further processing or assembly. To do this, we typically start by measuring and marking a straight line using a ruler or straight edge. Accuracy here is really important. A bad measurement means waste material. Depending on what we are cutting, we might use a bandsaw, a shear, a circular saw, or even a CNC machine for high precision. And the picture here shows a horizontal metal bandsaw, and it's commonly used in manufacturing for making precise straight cuts, especially on metal bars, rods, or pipes. The blade moves in a continuous loop, and as it feeds down, it cuts cleanly through the material. It's ideal for repetitive and accurate straight cuts, especially in mass production or heavy-duty applications. Before cutting, the material is clamped firmly in place. Once the machine is activated, the blade lowers automatically and cuts in straight line with consistent pressure.
At this slide, I will make a safety briefing that will cover 3 key points. First, personal protective equipment or PPE. Second, the assembly point. And the last one, the role of supervisor. First, PPE is essential for protecting yourself from workplace hazard. Always wear the appropriate gear such as helmet, glove, goggle, ear protection, and safety footwear. And ensure it is in good condition before starting any task. Report any damage or missing equipment immediately. The second one, in the event of an emergency, proceed calmly and directly to the designated assembly point. Do not re-enter the building for any reason. Once there, remain at the site until attendance is taken and further instruction will be given. Finally, supervisors are responsible for maintaining a safe working environment. They monitor compliance, correct unsafe practice, and have the authority to stop work if necessary. Always follow their instruction and report any concern promptly. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Be prepared, stay alert, and work safely.